There's a smart Chinese dude, his name is Confucius. He once said, "What I hear, I forget. What I see, I remember. What I do, I understand." It turned out he wasn't far off. Later on, people find out it's what they say, it's not what it matters. It's what they do that they're able to retain what they learned. Welcome to part 5, Math&Me, where we're going to be talking about efficient studying habits. A very quick recap. So far in this 6-part video series, what we're trying to do is build a math vehicle where you have a strong math foundation, efficient studying habits, and effective test-taking skills. It's 3 parts of a sailboat. And in video 3, we talked about how to have effective test-taking skills. That's to follow the equal sign. In video 4, we talked about a strong math foundation that you need to zoom out and know which topic and which concept is more important than others, so you are focused on your effort. And in this video 5, we're going to talk about efficient study habits. That's the equivalent of a zoom lens. Let's get to it. They say that out of the 3 ways one might learn wisdom, experience by far is the bitterest, and I couldn't have agreed more. My insights on how to study smart, not just hard, but study smart, came about when I fell in love with a boy who broke my heart. For weeks, I couldn't get out of bed, let alone attending lectures and go through the tedious and copious homework assignments, not to fail my advanced calculus class and risk losing my scholarship. I started to look for shortcuts, a quicker, better way to get the knowledge. To my utter amazement, not only I didn't fail, I aced the class and spent half to a third of the time and effort I used to. Before the breakup, my study cycle looked like everyone else's. I would go to the lecture, get my homework assignment, spend as much time as I can doing the homework. Of course, I would come up with questions, things I don't understand. Then I would hit the book, hoping that book has all the answers. For the ones I don't know how to do, I would take that one hoping to the lecture and get it answered. However, in the lecture, instead of getting answered most of the time, I would get more homework, and then the question gets piled up because from the new homework, I would have more questions. As you can see, this created a problem. Because as the semester goes on, more and more questions gets piled up, and this soon spin out of control. In the aftermath of a hard breakup, I decided to look around and see if there's any way I can do to preserve my energy. Very little I do have. So I started hitting the book first, have my questions ready before going into the lecture, and be one of the few annoying students who raise their hand and ask the questions. Because when I get the homework this way, the amount of time I spend is drastically reduced. That will save me time again to repeat the process of hitting the books first, get the questions prepared before going into the lectures. Then this way, little by little, I was gaining momentum instead of spinning out of control. It's as if I was gathering fuels. And lo and behold, as the semester goes on, another smart dude said something that education is kindling of a flame, not filling of a vessel. And that's exactly what I found. There you have it. By breaking up the learning cycle, make it more efficient, it is possible to learn math effortlessly. Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Please like, comment, or subscribe this video. Together, we can make a difference.